Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer here again with another tech review video. No, I know I haven't done an unboxing or any kind of review video or any kind of tech video in a while. And I had the Powerbeats for about, wow, I had the Powerbeats about 2 months now, and I did an unboxing on it. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll put down the tech unboxing playlist so you guys could go in there and check it out. So I did do an unboxing on it, but I never actually did a review on it to tell you what I thought about it. Actually, to tell you if it's good, it's worth buying. It's totally worth $250. Yes, $250. So let's get into it. Alright, Josh Tech Gamer here again with another tech review video. So I bought the Powerbeats wireless headphones about 2 months ago. Did an unboxing on it, and I just want to do a little short review on it. And actually, there was a couple something I wanted to mention about the Powerbeats if people have this issue, and I wanted to tell you guys if you guys come across this. So number one, I had tried these for a good week, and they work great. I'm going to tell you, they sound really good. Their phone works great on them. You can actually use it for a phone. So calls, dials, receiving. So it does work for that if you guys want to know. It does have like a little thing on the side where you can use the buttons and stuff. So it works really good. It sounds really great for the Powerbeats. Like, it sounds good. Now, it's not super bassy, but it's just right. Now, they are really comfortable and they stay on your ears really good. So I don't have any problems them falling off. So they stay on the ears really good. They do not fall off. I actually recommend these if you're going to the gym or running or jogging. They are great and they work fantastic. Tried them out for a good week and they last for a whole week. And also, even when you put them back in the case, they are automatically charging. When you do take them off, they connect straight to your phone and they disconnect when you take them off. So super cool. I'm really liking that. So $250 worth these headphones, yes, it is totally worth it. So now there is one thing, one of them was charged and one of them was not charged, so I had to figure out why. But the problem was when you put them inside the case, you have to make sure they connect into the magnetic strips. They are a little pain to put them on. After a while you get used to know how to put them on and put them in the case, but one was charged and one was not charged, so I only heard it from one ear. So I was wondering why it's not working, but one was dead and it even showed me on my phone that it was dead. So you just got to make sure they're in the case properly, and what happens is the little white light will actually turn on, and that means they're charging. Now after a while, probably for a good week, I'm using for a few hours a day, I come home and the case will blink red, so that means you need to charge the case. So just plug it in, charge it for a few hours, and you're good for the rest of the week. And the cool part is the case actually charges the wireless headphones, so you don't have to sit there and charge the headphones. You charge it with the case. So I mean, that is just really awesome. I mean, these headphones are great, honestly. They're totally worth the buck. Well, worth the dollars. So if you guys want to pick these up, I do recommend the Powerbeats wireless. They're great, and they come in different colors and everything. So I did try them out for a week, and then they gave them back to Mrs. Tech Gamer, and they're actually hers, and she loves them. She always uses them all the time. So, and they do stay on the ears. I tried them like at the gym and stuff, and they do not fall off whatsoever. So yeah, if you're like athletic and stuff and you want to do like sports and stuff and you want something like to stay on your ears, I recommend these. I did use my JBL's headphones and they were kept sliding off and they're a little big, but they weren't really staying on my head when I would lay down or move around. But these totally stay on your head. So that's about it. Just want to do a little short update review on these headphones. Now these are like 9 hours of listening time, so that is plenty of time to listen to these headphones. 9 hours, and then 24 hours for the case. I mean, that's pretty awesome. So like I said, the case literally lasts me for 7 days, for a whole week, and on probably the 6th or 7th day, the case is dead. So I just recommend these headphones. They work great, and stuff. I still love my JBLs. I still do wear those and stuff. If you guys want to check out those unboxing videos or those tech reviews, I'll put down the playlist down below. And if you want to check out these Beats, I'll put them in the Amazon in the description below. So yeah, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I do got another video coming. It's a little short, just a little unboxing stuff. I am getting back into buying more pops and toys, collectibles. I found out some pops are worth a lot of money. It's crazy. Some are actually worth like $350 for one pop. Someone's selling something on Amazon for 350 bucks. So that's a lot of money. So anyways, but that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer, and I'll check you guys later. My dog's eating. I don't know if you guys can hear it. So I don't have any problems of them falling off. My dog is eating. I don't know if the mic is picking it up. And we're clear.